Welcome, dear students. Welcome to Standard 4th. This is our first educational video and we begin with subject English. Here's the very first poem from Unit 1, Rain in the Night. Students, first I will explain this poem and then we will recite it. So now let's get started. Raining all night long. It means it has been raining for the whole night. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. It means sometimes while raining there is lot of lightning and thundering and it makes loud noise. Whereas sometimes it rains peacefully and silently and it seems just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters. This line tells us that because it is raining, there will be water everywhere, and that water will flow through gutters, and it will look as if rivers are flowing in the gutters. And lakes along the street. Students, in rainy season, some rainwater gets collected along the streets, and when you look at that, you feel that there are small lakes there. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. This line tells us that due to rain, the surrounding area becomes wet and muddy, and when Kitty will walk on that, even his feet will get dirty, and so he will have to wash them. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. It means when it rains, few drops get collected on the rose flowers and they will shine and look like diamonds. So roses will look just like kings and queens wearing diamonds. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. This line tells us that the pansies are very short and so when it rains, the mud spills on them and they look muddy. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. In this line, the poetess is telling that tomorrow she will sail her boat in wonderful new places. Not really new places, the same place, but which has become all new. Because of rain, there is greenery everywhere. Rivers are flowing. Everything is clean and clear and looks very beautiful and wonderful. And she is going to sail her boat in that new wonderful place. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now here in this last line, the poetess is telling that first she will take her watering pot and wash the pansies' faces which have become muddy. Now let's recite this poem together. We begin Unit 1, Poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces.
Poem by Amelia Josephine Burr.
Now, let's have a look at the meanings given in your textbook. First, we have gutters. Gutters means channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Students, at the edge of a road or a street, channels are built and these channels carry water. This water may be rainwater, it may also be sewage or drainage water. Next is pansies. Pansies are small plants or they are flowers. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.